Good morning students. I am a grade 2 maths teacher. Today we are going to learn about chapter number 2, counting in numbers. First one, less than or greater than. Students, look at this paper. In my right hand side have 2 apples and left hand side have 4 parrots. So let's see which one more, 2 apple or 4 parrot. So apple are 2, parrots are 4. So this one less, this one more. Then next I will take marker. In my right hand having only 1 marker, left hand 3 marker. So which one more? This one 3 marker. So this one more. This one 1 mark, only 1 marker. So this one less. Okay students. Look at the chart paper. Greater than symbol, this open side are greater than. Here more objects and numbers. This side less object and numbers. So greater than symbol using this open symbol. Then next less than using this close symbol. Okay students, let us see. Here only 1 butterfly. Then here 2 butterflies. So which one more? 1 or 2? Yes, 2 are more, 1 are less. So using symbol like this. So open side more, close side 1. Then next second one. Right side 2 teacup, left side 4 teacup. So which one more? Here 4, here 2. So 4 is more, 2 is less. So use symbol like this, open. Then next last one. Here in my right hand side I have 10 water bottles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then left hand side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which one more? 10 or 5? Yes, 10 is more. So use this symbol like this. So open side 10 and close side 5. So this is more, this one less. Next, same number pattern, greater than and less than. So greater than using simple open like this, less than symbol using close. So first one 5, right side 5, left side 6. So which one more? 5 or 6? Yes, 6 is more, 5 is less. So using symbol like this. Open side 6, close side 5. Then next, right side 10, left side 7. So which one more? 10 or more than number. So use like this symbol, open. So open side means more than value, closed side less than value. So 10 less than 7. Then next 25 and 30. So which number more than value? 30 or 25? Yes, 30 are more than value. So using simple like this. Open side 30, close side 25. Then next 50 and 40. So which one number more than value? 50 or 40? Yes, 50 are more than value, 40 are less than value. So using this symbol like this. Open side 50. Open side more value and close side less value. So more than value 50 and less than value 40. The last one 100. Then right side 99. So which number more than value, which numbers less than value? So 99 or 100? Yes, 99 are less than value, 100 are more than value. So using this symbol like this. So open side 100 and closed side 99. Next, equal. So equal, for example, I will take marker. So in my right hand having 2 marker, left hand having 2 marker. So both our side are equal. Yes or no? Here 2 marker, here 2 marker. So both our side equal. So using symbol like this. equal. This symbol equal. Okay, look at the chart paper. Right hand side having 2 apples, then left hand side 2 apples. So here 2, there also 2. So both our side are equal apples. So using symbol like this symbol equal. Next, in my right hand side 2 banta, left hand side 2 banta. So both our side are equal banta. So they are using this like this symbol equal. So here 2, here also 2. So say both our sides are equal. Then next, last one, Goa. So for first one, right hand side, there are how many Goas? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Goas. Then next, left hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4. So both our side are 4 Goas. So using this symbol like this equal. So both our side are equal. Here 4 Goas, here also 4 Goas. So both our side equal. Then last, look at the chart paper, same equal. Right hand side 2, left hand side 2. So both our side are equal. So using like this symbol equal. Then next, 5. Right hand side 5, left hand side 5. So both our side are equal. So using this symbol like this. Then next, right hand side 10, left hand side 10. So using both our side are equal number. So using symbol like this. Then next, 25, 25. So both our side are same numbers. So using this number symbol like this. The last one, right hand side 1, left hand side 1. So both our side are same number, same value. So using like this symbol. Students, you will get this worksheet. I have given you some simple questions. So do it and send the answer. Seconds max naps between 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay students, see you in the next class. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.